Here I have Samsung Galaxy M01 Core, and today I'm going to show you how to change system language on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the system section, then go to the language and input, language, add language, and here you have the whole list of languages in which you can set up your device. Let's pick, for example, Ukrainian, and then tap set as default. And after that, system language will be Ukrainian language will be set as a system default. If you want to change it back to English, you just have to go to the налаштування, then to the Система, мова та спосіб ведення, мова, and select English and set it as the first one. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.